All right, I'm going to show you how to get your prospects organized for the Christmas season so that you can generate QR codes and get those QR codes to bring them into SWAPP exactly where you want them to be. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get on your dashboard as an administrator, log into the website, go to your dashboard, go to your contacts list right here. Make sure you're in the list view, and from here you can see all of your contacts if you're not familiar with that yet. But right up here on the top corner is what we're going to want to do. So we're going to click on add a folder. So all the folders show up on the left hand side there that we put our prospects into. This allows us to organize the individuals into areas that we want them to be. And so you can see we got a members folder, a door-to-door, teens, food ministry, and so we have a few different ways to organize them there. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to first organize our visitor card. This doesn't necessarily have to just be for the Christmas season. You can just leave this QR code on your visitor card all the time, and this allows people to, instead of manually filling it out with pen and paper, they can just scan the QR code and fill it out on the website. And so once you've made that visitor card folder, just generate the QR code and then download it. Once you've downloaded it, you'll send it to the person designing your visitor card, or just if you're doing it yourself, put it on the visitor card so that people can scan it. And once they've scanned it, they will fill out a form, and that form will dump their information right into this folder. So you will see this folder right here begin to populate with people that have scanned it and filled it out. And so after that, we just simply make the folders for the appropriate places that we want them to. So this will be our welcome desk, and you don't have to make individual ones for each area, but if you want to know where the leads are being generated from and have a little bit better understanding, it can help you to separate them. Otherwise, you can just simply add a folder and name it church visitor, and then use that QR code for many things. So you can put it on the welcome desk banner, you can put it on the visitor card, you can put it wherever else you want visitors to scan the QR code and fill the form out themselves. So that, or if it comes to your door-to-door flyers for your Christmas season, you can just simply put Christmas 23 flyer. Now keep in mind that whatever you name this as, your person scanning the QR code is going to see the name. So just something to keep in mind. So we'll just name this one Christmas 23. And then once we name it, we can generate the QR code for each one of these things, whether it's a Christmas flyer, welcome desk. And so this allows you to be able to take your Christmas outreach and bring the prospects into the Soul Winning app so that you can be ready immediately afterwards without having to try to organize and collect cards and manage paper and input things into systems. It's all already there, and you can just hit the road and start following up on people right after Christmas. And so beside from just scanning QR codes, you can of course have that link that QR code takes you to pulled up at places like the welcome desks, so they can have a computer there with the form already there, and the person can at the welcome desk can manually fill it out themselves and help that person get connected. So there's multiple ways to do it, but that's basically in a nutshell how to use the QR codes to get ready for following up on your Christmas visitors right after Christmas. Thank you for using the Soul Winning app. Have a wonderful day.